Have you ever looked at the Great Pyramids of Giza and just wondered, how on earth did they do that? These colossal monuments have puzzled humanity for thousands of years. Were they built by aliens? A lost civilization with super technology? Well, the truth is even more amazing, because it's a story of human ingenuity, incredible engineering, and sheer hard work. Today, we're going to unravel the real secrets of how ancient Egyptians built these timeless wonders. Let's start with the basics, the building blocks. The pyramids are made of millions of stone blocks, each weighing several tons. Most of these were limestone, quarried right near the Giza Plateau. Think about that convenience. It's like having your building supplies delivered right next door. But for the really special parts, like the inner chambers, they used massive granite blocks. And get this, the granite came from Aswan, over 500 miles away. How did they move these multi-ton blocks across such a vast distance? The journey began at the quarry. Workers would find cracks in the rock, hammer in wooden wedges, and then soak the wedges with water. As the wood expanded, it would split the rock, creating a massive block. It was a slow but effective process. Once a block was free, the real challenge began: transportation. From Aswan, they would load these granite giants onto boats and sail them down the Nile River. This was only possible during the annual flood season, when the water levels were high enough to bring the boats closer to the construction site. It was a perfectly timed, logistical masterpiece, all dictated by the rhythm of the river. Once the stones arrived near the pyramid site, they had to be moved across the sand. This is where one of the most clever tricks comes in. A famous painting from an ancient tomb shows us exactly how they did it. It depicts a group of workers pulling a massive statue on a wooden sledge. But look closely in front of the sledge. A person is pouring water onto the sand. Scientists have tested this and found that adding just the right amount of water to sand reduces friction by half. It made sliding those heavy stones across the desert floor possible. So, no mysterious levitation, just smart, practical physics. Now, for the biggest question of all. How did they lift these heavy stones up the pyramid as it got taller? The most widely accepted theory involves the use of ramps. But it probably wasn't just one long, straight ramp. That would have needed to be over a mile long by the time they reached the top. Instead, archaeologists believe they used a combination of ramps. They might have had a main straight ramp for the lower levels, and then a spiral ramp that corkscrewed around the outside of the pyramid for the higher levels. Another idea is that they built an internal ramp system within the pyramid itself. It's a bit like a hidden staircase inside the structure. This would have saved a lot of material and effort. As they built upwards, they would have used levers to pry and position the stones into their final place with incredible precision. People who built the pyramids weren't slaves, as movies often portray. Archaeological discoveries of a nearby workers' village have shown us that these were skilled laborers. They were well-fed, housed, and even received medical care. They were organized into teams, or files, with names like Friends of Khufu or Drunkards. They worked in rotating shifts, likely for bread and beer, and for the honor of building a monument for their pharaoh, who they saw as a living god. It was a national project, a source of pride and unity. It's a testament to what people can achieve when they work together towards a common goal. So, the construction of the pyramids wasn't about magic or aliens. It was a triumph of human skill, planning, and perseverance. From quarrying and transporting massive stones down the Nile to using water-lubricated sledges and ingenious ramp systems, the ancient Egyptians mastered their environment and created something that would last an eternity. They were brilliant engineers, project managers, and innovators. I hope this has given you a new appreciation for these incredible structures. of the pyramids, you'll know the amazing human story behind them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey back in time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into history's greatest mysteries. See you in the next video.